What's up, YouTubers? Welcome back. So I inherited this Jeep from my car customization shop, but he inherited it from somebody else. They did some janky suspension work somewhere, the brakes were jacked up. Can you do something about this light falling out, like maybe epoxy it in? So all the work that you see on this Jeep we didn't do. We did upgraded sway bar links to match the suspension lift, and we upgraded the track bars and set the wheel, and she's happy with that work. Somebody else did cross-rolled and slotted rotors and things that I do not and will not install on anyone's car because these are such crap. But why are they such crap, Jude? Because they're crap.
Oh, yeah.
They're not really designed.
Flimsy fucking metal. Like
it's flimsy metal. It changes with heat temperatures. They're under the wheel like this, so they have air moving them around. It's an off-road vehicle, so the vibrations and impact, expansion and contraction of the rotor and pads, these stainless steel things, there's really not even enough of a gap for the hardware to really clear on some of these cars, let alone shove this under the caliper bridge and hope that you don't have any problems. So this lady wants these put back on, and this will be the last time that I put them back on. But you can see this one here where the rust, and I'm suspecting this is the right front wheel that she was complaining about. So somebody put these on, somebody did a brake job, somebody put these back on, then the car wound up here with scraping noises, they missed the calipers and hoses, and then now she's back with a blown radiator and some other shit. We fixed that. And you can see right here, look, scraping, junk. What I have done in the past is epoxy these to the caliper faces so that you don't have any issues, but epoxy could fail, and so could this hardware and then fall off. But this is garbage. I will not install these on anyone's car. I'm only making an exception today against my better judgment because this lady's been nice through the whole transaction. And if you're nice to us, we're going to be nice to you even though we don't want to do certain things. But this is garbage. I actually had, remember that guy that came, you weren't probably here. He purchased a Charger Hellcat, some shit, and somebody put these on the Hellcat calipers or something.
I was gonna say, if it was a Hellcat, it comes with Brembos, and Brembos are the actual like full calipers.
But I don't think they were red. I don't know. It might have just been a Charger 392. Anyway.
Well, even the 392s have Brembos.
So whatever the case was, the dude rolled up. He called me and said, "Hey, blah 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 blah. I just bought this car. I'm driving it back and it's scraping." I said, they have to come off because I don't want them to come off. I said, I ain't touching your car. And off he went. Because the guy who installed them probably knew what he was doing, right? Because it's really not that complex. It's just garbage shit. Thanks for watching.